I work with pendulums because they work for me. And I believe that I get a lot of messages and validations. This is an example of how a pendulum works for me. I just hold it still, and in my mind, I ask questions. I can tell it to go in a circle. I can tell it to go left to right for no, and forward and backwards. Please go forward and backwards for yes. Okay, so that's how my pendulums work for me, and they work every time. So, I have even tried it with a piece of metal that I have. This metal here, I can put a pendulum on it and not even touch it, and it will do it. So this is just a plastic necklace that you get at the Dollar Tree. It happens to be heart, so it's probably left over from Halloween. So my friend was over earlier, and I says, I bet if I pick it up, it'll go in a circle. So I picked it up, and I want you to see my hand. My fingers are holding it tightly. I cannot manipulate it. See, if I tried to manipulate it, you'd see the beads move. So here we go. Can you please go in a circle? How this works, I don't know. I don't know if it's my kinetic energy. I have no idea. If you have any ideas or any solutions, let me know. I'm going to try it this way. Can you see it's on the metal? I've got it moved over. I'm holding it very tight. Can you go forward and backwards, please? Can you go forward and backward? And there you go. And I am holding it like this. You can see my hand's not moving. And yet it went forward and backward for me. A plastic necklace from the Dollar Tree or the 99-cent store. Find it interesting.